Hey guys, it's Jordan with National Speed. Now we regularly get one question with our Stage 2 and Stage 3 6.4 liter Hemi packages. Since we're doing stainless power long tube headers, should I add an exhaust system while we're there? The short answer? Well, it depends. Unless you're absolutely sure you want your Mopar on the louder side, it's easy to go too far and immediately regret it. This is why when we do long tube headers, we normally recommend sticking with the stock exhaust system so you can make an informed decision after you get some seat time. This iterative approach saves you a lot of potential money and frustration if it ends up being too loud for you. And for what it's worth, the vast majority of our customers love the sound as is. So with that all said, let's get to some sound clips. Up first, here's a 100% stock exhaust system. And some revs. Now a quick pull on the dyno. Next up, the stainless power long tube headers get installed. And one thing to note is that this vehicle is equipped with high flow catalytic converters and still has the stock mid mufflers in place. Now here's a comparison between a 100% stock exhaust system from the manifolds back and a stock exhaust system with the stainless power long tube headers installed. Start up with the headers installed. And some revs with the headers. And a quick run on the dyno with headers. Our take? If your taste is on the milder side, this is a winning combination. This gives you a nice increase in exhaust note at idle and cruising without any extra drone, and much more exhaust note at wide open throttle without waking the dead. All topped off with that stealthy stock appearance. And the great part? You still have the ability to upgrade your exhaust system in the future if you ever get the itch. So if you've been on the fence, hopefully this video helps you decide which way you want to go. And as always, if you have any questions at all, we're happy to chat. Thanks for watching.